Astronomy, or Astrology and Al Tusi from the 27th of the 7th month of 1446. Astrology can be used to represent almost anything. Technology was limited, and interpretation was another thing. Conservatively, it begun with combining the observations of other cultures. Politically, conflict can interfere with new analyzing. Irony can be found in being known by who you are doubting. Astronomy by Al Tusi was shown to not be a contradiction. Devilry is not harmless to religion. Planetary size and movement was just an aspect of science to blend with fundamental spiritual teachings. Nasir al-Din al-Tusi, as this other polymath was known through a lot of scientific fields. And wasn't he trained as a Sufi? He was definitely trained in terms of Shia jurisprudence and Quran and Hadith. He met with Sufi masters. I don't remember if he was a Sufi or not. And there was a lot of stuff going on politically at the time that I've hinted at in the poem, because people practicing the Islamically forbidden forms of astrology, they would use the charts to compete with one another. And that belief in those forms of astrology were connected with false claims of science, and that prevented new things from being figured out. But Nasir ad-Din al-Tusi was one of those individuals that showed that the science doesn't have to contradict with the various basic religious sources. A lot of what people said later, sure. A lot of what people supposed to be science but didn't quite have the evidence, sure.